Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Tonight, I'm sharing my nighttime skincare routine that helps me achieve healthy, glowing skin. Let's get started. Step 1. Cleansing oil. First, I start with a cleansing oil to break down my makeup and sunscreen. I'm using Skin 1004's cleansing oil. Apply a few drops to your face and massage it in for about 30 seconds. Step 2. Cleansing foam. Next, I follow up with a cleansing foam to deeply cleanse my pores. I'm using Anua cleansing foam. Apply a small amount to your face and massage it in for about 30 seconds. Rinse with lukewarm water. Step 3. Toner pads. Now I use toner pads to balance my skin's pH and remove any remaining impurities. I'm using Anua toner pads. Simply wipe the pad across your face, making sure to cover all areas. Step 4. Toner. Next, I apply a toner to help with skin texture and tone. I'm using Anua toner. Soak a cotton pad with toner and sweep it across your face. Step 5. Essence. Now I apply an essence to deliver active ingredients deep into my skin. I'm using Anua essence. Apply a few drops to your face and gently pat it in. Step 6. Serum. Next, I apply a serum to target specific skin concerns like fine lines and dark spots. I'm using Beauty of Joseon serum. Apply a few drops to your face and gently pat it in. Step 7. Ampule. Now I apply an ampule to give my skin an extra boost of hydration and brightening. I'm using Skin 10 for ampule. Apply a few drops to your face and gently pat it in. Step 8. Eye cream. Next, I apply an eye cream to target fine lines, dark circles, and puffiness. I'm using the Inky List eye cream. Apply a small amount to your under eye area and gently pat it in. It's not a Korean brand, but I love this product. Step 9. Moisturizer. Finally, I seal everything in with a moisturizer to lock in all the previous products and provide long-lasting hydration. I'm using Nivea moisturizer. Apply a generous amount to your face and neck and gently massage it in. And that's it for tonight's skincare routine.